Hi, welcome to episode 4 of Enjoy the Journey with Arron Chambers. And if you enjoy these video podcasts that are about life, love, leadership, and the Lord, then you can subscribe. That'd be awesome. You can share it. You can like it. Let people know about it. I'm going to put these out on a regular basis. They're all going to be about 5 minutes long. Hopefully very practical, very encouraging. And I'm grateful for you and for the chance to talk with you a little bit today. I was working at a college a long time ago, and I was responsible for recruiting students. And I was talking to a man I deeply respect. We were sitting outside of a convention we were working, and Bill Redmond, who was the director of a Christian camp in Florida called Lake Aurora Christian Camp. We were outside the convention center, sitting on the curb talking, and I was talking about how hard it is to recruit students, and he told me a story that I'll never forget. And if you're a business leader, have influence over people, need to build a team for a mission, if you have something you want to accomplish, great. If you want to raise some money, whatever, this is a great illustration. Bill told me that years and years ago, back when he was first starting at the camp, they needed canoes. They needed 12 canoes. And so he went around asking for money for canoes, and couldn't get anybody to donate money for canoes. Well, he was giving up hope because he really wanted these canoes. And so one time before an event, he had an idea, and he stood up in front of a church. And instead of asking for 12 canoes, he told them a story. He said, I want to get some canoes so I can take some kids who live in the city down a river that's close to the camp. They're going to float down this river and see beautiful cypress trees and see wildlife. And we're going to stop at lunch on a sandbank, and we're going to eat lunch, and they're going to be able to play in the water. And then after lunch, we're going to go down a little further in the river, and they're going to come around this bend, and they're going to see a waterfall. And they're going to get a chance to play in the waterfall and enjoy themselves. He said after he told the church that he was trying to raise money so kids from the city could go and see a waterfall, he said he got more than enough money from that one church to buy all the canoes he needed. And he got all 12 canoes paid for that one day, plus extra. And so he said, Arron, don't try to recruit students to a Bible college. Sell the waterfall. Okay, flash forward to a couple of years ago. My family and I had a chance to partner with the city of Greeley, Colorado, and a bunch of great people to build a universally accessible playground here in our city. My kids shared the vision about trying to do something special for our community by building a playground. One thing led to another. It's a long story. It's an awesome story. I'll link to it here in the notes. It's called Avon's Village, and it was an incredible effort by a lot of great people. But as I was going around raising money, because we had to raise $1.3 million for that playground, as I went around town and met with different groups and told the story of the playground trying to raise money, I sold the waterfall. I would stand before the groups and I would say, I wouldn't ask for money. I would say, I can see a night when the sun's going down and my family and I are at that playground. And as we sit there in the cool of the evening, we see kids from all different backgrounds and all different physical abilities playing together on this magical playground. And I would ask people if they want to be a part of making that happen. And people would write checks and make donations. It was an incredible experience. So when you're trying to motivate your team to do something extraordinary, you want to raise money, you want to have an impact, you want to move ordinary people to extraordinary opportunities and see extraordinary things happen, then I want to encourage you to follow Bill Redmond's advice. And don't ask for money, don't ask for volunteers, don't have people just sign up. I want you to sell the waterfall. All right? Hope you have a great day. Remember who you are.